How to delete duplicate photos in Google Photos on Android. This tutorial shows you how to clean up your gallery and remove duplicate images quickly and easily. First, open the Google Photos app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile picture at the top right of the screen. From there, tap on Photo Settings to open your settings. At this point, tap on Manage Storage to open your storage management options. Let me show you. In the next step, tap on Google Photos to see suggestions for freeing up space, including any duplicate photos Google has detected. From there, look for the Duplicate section and tap on it to see all your duplicate photos. At this stage, Google Photos will show you pairs or groups of duplicate images. Tap on Select All to select every duplicate at once. Following this, tap on Delete to remove all the duplicates in one go. Once done, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap on Delete to confirm, and all duplicate photos will be moved to your trash. Here's an important note. Before deleting any photos, make sure you review each duplicate carefully. Sometimes photos that look identical may have slight differences in quality or resolution, so double-check before confirming the deletion. And that's it. If this guide helped you delete duplicate photos in Google Photos, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.